Hello and welcome. To begin, go ahead and search for your motherboard model on Google. Once you find it, open your manufacturer's website and head to the support section. From there, go to the Downloads page and locate the BIOS for your model. Download the latest version available. Next, unzip the file you downloaded. Insert a USB drive into your computer and format it to FAT32. After that, copy the unzipped file onto your USB drive. Now, restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup. Inside the BIOS, select QFlash. Then choose Update BIOS. Select the file from your USB drive and click Next. Confirm your selection and wait for the update to finish. Important: make sure your computer does not turn off during this process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.